Hello and welcome to everyone. This is exercise 18A. Name of the chapter is algebra. Okay. Yesterday I have told you the importance of algebra. This is a very important chapter, very important topic. Why? Because you are not going to study this chapter in class 6, but in every higher classes. And it is very important because the whole maths is dependent on algebra. We can say that. Okay, you need to understand the basic concepts of it because in your higher studies, in your higher classes, you are going to deal with it. That is why if you will not watch this video session with a great focus, then you won't be able to understand anything. And trust me, if you will watch this video carefully, then it is the easiest chapter you have ever seen. Okay, so let me start with question number 1. Question 1 says express each of the following statements in algebraic form. So we are given here some statements. 1 2 3 4 statements are given, and we have to write these statements in algebraic form. Is it okay? Now let me tell you the first statement. First statement says the sum of 8 and x is equal to y. So students, you must know sum means plus, okay, or add means plus, or increase, okay, increase means also plus. Now subtract, subtract or difference, okay, or decrease means minus. Okay, fine. So now the question is saying sum of 8 and x is equal to y. So sum of what? 8 and x. Look at this very carefully. Sum of 8 and x. Okay, so we will write 8, x and plus between them. First write 8, then x and plus between them. So this is the sum of 8 and x, means 8 plus x, equal to y. Equal to means whenever the question says equal to or question says gives, so both the meaning is equal. You have to use the sign of equal. So we will write 8 plus x is equal to y. This is the algebraic expression that you have to write. Okay, 8 plus x is equal to y. Now second algebraic expression, how are you going to write? X decrease by 5. X decrease by 5. So x, you will write x and 5, and decrease by, I have told you decrease means minus. So write minus between them. So x decrease by y. Sir, we have to do 14C in copy. 14C. I have told you 14B na. I think there is 14B only in the book. There is no 14C. Is there 14C? Okay, if there is 14C, I will explain. Okay, you don't have to do on your own. I will explain you 14C in the next class. Don't worry about that. Now x decreased by 5 is equal to y. So write x minus 5 is equal to y. Is it okay, students? X decreased by 5 means x minus 5 equal to y, means use the sign of equal and write y. You have to write x like this. Don't like x like this. This is the wrong. method, this is the right method. Okay. Now third expression says the sum of 2 and x is greater than y. The sum of 2 and x. Sum of 2 and x means 2 plus x. Okay. So this thing is greater. This thing is greater than what? Than y. Okay, than y. So write y here. So it is actually the sum of 2 and x, not 2x, Jatin. You have written 2x, not 2x. You have to write 2 plus x. So 2 plus x is greater than y. Is it okay? Now fourth, sum of xy is less than 24. Sum of xy means x plus y. This is the sum of xy, na? Sum of xy is less than. Now this is less than. This is less than what? 24. So this is the algebraic expression. Students, now I think you might have got idea what are the algebraic expression. Okay. These are called the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Now, statement fifth. 15 multiplied by m gives 3n. Now, students, multiplied or product, both meaning multiply, okay? Into, which you says into. So multiply, whether the question says multiply or the question says product, you have to use the sign of multiply. Okay. So 15 multiplied by m gives 3n. Question 6 says product 8 and y. Product of 8 and y. I have already told you what is the meaning of product. So product of 8 and y is equal to 3x, right? So you will write 8 and product means multiply y is equal to 3x. This is your algebraic expression. Very good, Adarsh. Adarsh, check your answer. This is not correct. 8xy. It's not 8xy. It's 8 into y. 7. 30 divided by b. 30 divided by b equal to p. 30 divided by b is equal to p. Is it clear? So students, these are the very simple, I must say very simple. Z decrease by. Decrease by, I have told you what is the meaning of decrease by. Look at this. Decrease means minus. Okay. So Z decrease by 3x equal to y. This is the algebraic expression. Students, I am watching that only some of you are giving the answer. Okay, statement 9 says 12 times of x is equal to 5z. Students, let me tell you times. Times means also multiply. Whether question say product or times, the meaning of both is multiply. Okay, times means multiply. So 12 times of x. So write 12 times of x equal to 5z. Equal to 5z. It is so simple. Next, 10th. 12 times of x is greater than 5z. 12 times of x is greater. So this is greater. Okay. If this is greater, then we have to use this sign. So 12 times of x is greater than what? 5z. It's not equal to, it's greater than. 11th. 12 times of x is less than 5z. 12 times of x, 12 times of x is less than, now it is less than what? Less than 5z. Okay, 5z. Is it okay, students? Very good. Next, 12 says 3z subtracted from 45 is equal to y. Now you write the answer. So once more time, let me repeat. Ninth statement says 12 times of x is equal to 5z. So I have written 12 into x is equal to 5z. Okay. 12 times of x is greater than 5z. So 12 multiplied by x and it is greater than 5z. 12 times of x is less than 5z. So 12 times of x is less than, now this is less than 5z and 3z subtracted from 45. So 45 minus 3z is equal to y. I hope now it is clear. (13), 14 and 15. Okay, now let us do 13. 8x divided by y is equal to 5z. 8x divided by y. Okay, 8x divided by y equal to 2z. Equal to 2z. Okay. (14) 7y subtracted from 5x. So from the number which is giving after from should be written first. So 5x. Okay. 7y subtracted from 5x. So 5x minus 7y gives 8z. This is very important. You might have confused in this. 5x minus 7y is equal to 8z. Next, 7y decreased by 5x gives 8z. So 7y decreased by 5x. So 7y decreased by means minus 5x gives 8z. This is the algebraic expression. Clear? Now question second says for each of the following algebraic expression, write a suitable statement in words. Now students, this is the opposite of question number 1. In question number 1, statements were given and we have to write in algebraic form, algebraic expression. In this question, algebraic expression is given and you have to write in the sentence or you have to write the statement. Okay, so let us do the first part, which is 3x plus 8 is equal to 15. So what can we write? We can write sum of 3x and 8 gives 15. Now you can write it like this also. 3x increased by 8 is equal to 15. So both are correct. Okay, both are correct. Now students, you must keep this thing in your mind that when we are writing the statement, so statement may be different from one student to other, but it should be right. Okay, for example, if there is a plus sign, then you must know that how to write it. Plus sign, we can write plus sign like sum. Also we can write increased by, or you must know that the sign of equal should be written as gives or is equal to is equal to, okay, so in this way we have to write the signs, then only we will be able to write the statements. For example, if we talk about the second statement, the second algebraic expression, which is what, which is 7 minus y and the sign of greater than x. So what we will write, 7 decreased by y is greater than x. Very good, Jatin. Rukaya, very good. Sum of 3x increased by. Arush, don't write the half answer. Okay, you have to write the full statement in the comment box. So in second part, you can write 7 decreased by y, or the difference of 7 and y. You can also write difference of 7 and y, or you can write 7 decreased by y is greater than x. This is the statement. Okay, now next, third statement, how are you going to write it? Students, 2y minus x is less than 12. 2y minus x, so write 2y decreased by x is less than 12. 2y decreased by x is less than 12. Okay, now fourth says 5 and sign of divide, then z is equal to 5. So we can write it 5 divided by z is equal to 5. Okay. Okay, you can write gives also. Equal to gives, yes, both are right. Rukeya, yes. Arush, 7 decreased by y is greater than. Arush, why are you writing the half statement every time? Arush, I'm talking to you. Students, wait for a minute. There is some technical issue. This is just because of Arush. Okay, 2x minus 3y is equal to 16. So how are you going to write it? 2x decreased by 3y is equal to, sorry, gives 16. Okay. Next, 3a minus 4b is greater than 14. So write 3a decreased by 4b is greater than 14. No, Arpan, when you are writing the statement, then you don't have to use this sign. You have to write greater than. नहीं समझ में आया? I mean to say that अगर आपको statement लिखना है तो आप ये साइन यूज नहीं करोगे, इसके प्लेस पे लिखोगे ग्रेटर देन या लेसर देन. नाउ अर्पण इज using this sign. Okay, nobody will use this sign in the statement. You have to write in words. I hope that it is clear. In statement you will not use any of the sign, whether plus, minus. Look at these statement. If I have used any of the sign, I have not used any of the sign. I have just written the statement in words. Now 8. It says B plus 7 is lesser than 21. So B increased by, you can write increased by, or you can write the sum of B and 7A. Okay. So I am writing B increased by 7A is less than 21. Okay. Is it okay, students? Now you are with 3 minutes. So within these 3 minutes, let us try to do these two questions. 9. 16 plus 2a minus x is greater than 25. So how are you going to write it? So write sum of 16 and 2a. Sum of 16 and 2a, then decrease by x. Decrease by x is greater than 25. Okay, is greater than 25. Now next. Next is sum of 3x and 12. Sum of 3x and 12 decrease by y is less than 3a. Is it okay, students? Okay, now one question from my side and let's see कि जिसका देखें कि किसका आंसर सबसे पहले आएगा. Okay, so what you have to do, I am going to write an algebraic expression and you have to write the statement. Fine. Shall I write? Okay. This is the expression, write the statement. And one more thing, your homework is you have to write, you have to do this whole exercise in your copy and send it to me in the evening. Okay, do this whole exercise.